let's see how to add materials, new materials. Okay, let's go to 3D view. In my project I already added materials, but we can change them. Let's click on one of the walls, for example. Go to, from properties, go to edit type. Here I don't know why the naming is stupid. It should be material, it should be written material, not this. Okay, go to edit and go to these three points, click on them. You can look for the material here, let's say concrete, okay? And if you don't like these, you can just click here, create a new material, give it a name, rename it, like what do we name it? Beige. Okay, and go to this tab. This is material browser, like a library for materials. Go to appearance or Autodesk. Now let's look in appearance. You have categories. Look for the material that you want. You can add paint, for example. Let's look for beige. See what they have for beige color. They have this fabric, but we don't want fabric. Okay, they have wall paint, light beige, for example. Okay, and now it's here. Here you can change if it's glossy or flat, matte. This is fine. Let's make it matte. Okay, and click OK. Click OK, click OK. It's actually changed, but so close to the other color that we did. Now for this pergola, let's say we want to give it another material. We don't like this material. Go to the same place. You can look for wood here, see what's there, or if you didn't find something suitable, again you can create a material, give it a name, P for example. Go to this box, look for wood. What kind of wood? Say this one. Double click on it and click OK, click OK, and OK. You see, it's changed now. Now if this is the same as this, right? This floor is the same as this floor, but for some reason we want to give this different material. Okay. The first thing, we need to make sure that this is not the same floor. Yani the name of the floor should be different here. So what can we do? We just go to edit type. Here we have to duplicate and name it P, for example. Okay, here from edit type, now you can change the material freely because it's not the same floor now. Okay, you see, now this is different and this is different. Why? Because here the name of the floor is different, and here